When I make chicken like this, there are no leftovers. For this recipe, we'll need 2 chicken breasts. Make cuts like this in square format. Tell me how you make chicken at your house. I'd love to know your recipe. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Manaza Fazil from Pakistan. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. And this is what our chicken looks like after the cut we made. Now season it with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and rub it accurately to have a taste explosion. Turn it over and season the other side as well. Make this recipe at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Next, add the chicken breasts into a pan with hot oil and let them fry. I'm sure that after you'll make this chicken, you'll want to make it again and again because it is really delicious. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and sauté the garlic. Then add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and stir. Now, in half cup of water, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, stir it until it dissolves, then pour it into the pan. Stir to combine with the other ingredients. Put the chicken breasts inside the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes. And our chicken is ready. Throw a little parsley on top, but it's optional. And now it's time to serve it. Look how delicious it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.